time here at the Lego Factory Adventure Ride! Yes,
Stage 1. Melting.
Start granules stored in our giant hoppers and melt them down using dragon fire. Oh, but the dragon's asleep again. I need your help to wake him up. Roar as loud as you can after 3, 2, 3. Roar! Not loud enough. Again. 1, 2, 3. Roar! He's awake.
Stage 2. Molding.
Now our elephants splash the melted granules into the machine, and our octopus helps to mold it into Lego bricks.
Stage 3. Minifigure production.
Right! Now it's time to shrink you down and test the Lego-matic, turning you into a Lego minifigure. Yes, the machine is experimental, but don't worry, they'll be turned into minifigures of some form or another. Hold on, everyone. This is it. Transformation is complete.
Stage 4. Packaging.
I can't wait to see what you look like as a minifigure. You look awesome. Move your arms. Come on, give yourself a wave and strike a pose for the camera in 3, 2, 1.
Stage 5. Dispatch.
It's time to get packaged up inside your box and transported to one of our excited customers. Look at you go! You're a natural! These kids have built some awesome Lego sets. That was wonderful! We hope everyone enjoyed the Lego Factory Adventure Ride. You have experienced how Lego bricks are made and been turned into your very own minifigure. But the fun doesn't stop there.